Hello everyone. Today we are nomadicing from La Floresta neighborhood in Quito. We're about 10-11 minutes away from our Airbnb, which is located in Marechal Foch, which is not our favorite neighborhood in Quito. It's not necessarily a family-friendly neighborhood. So we've gone up the hill and we are in La Floresta, where we'll be taking you for a tour today. So enjoy. So as we're walking through La Floresta, this is more of a local neighborhood from my observation. Not a whole lot of tourists or gringos are going to be up here. There's a lot of youth in comparison to where we're at in Quito. There seems to be a lot more youth in this neighborhood. It's definitely got a small neighborhood feel, kind of like the Queens of New York City in a way. Lots of little restaurants, lots of little bakeries, coffee shops. The architecture is a little bit more modern here as well. And the graffiti has a little bit more of an artistic flair, as it's more of a bohemian neighborhood. So if you take a taxi from anywhere in Quito and let them know that you want to go to the market at the corner of Guevara and Conquistadores in Floresta, those taxi drivers are going to know where you're going. Because behind me is one of Quito's best markets and best places for street food. In fact, it's attracted many people, including Anthony Bourdain when he did his show for No Reservations in Ecuador. Go ahead and look that up, and then we're going to go ahead and take a walk through this park here. It's still pretty early right now for the market. Everybody's getting set up. Usually it opens between 4 o'clock and runs until about 2 or 3 in the morning. But you can get a ton of really authentic Ecuadorian food here. There's going to be anything from tripa to empanadas to misto to stews to everything. Food that you've never tried before that's absolutely amazing. We'll come back. Hey everyone, so they're officially open now. It's 5 o'clock and it's New Year's Eve weekend and people are partying already. Fireworks are going off. We're gonna have some fun this weekend. Okay everyone, so we are at the market and come in a little bit closer in here. This is tripas, not for the squeamish American, but for the globalist eater. Not for the foodie, but for the person that understands food. This is going to be good. So I just want to show you something that is traditional here in Quito. behind me, you're going to see somebody with a blue wig. That's a man, and on New Year's Eve and New Year's weekend, they tend to dress up and they ask for money from cars. There's a lot of fun that's going on this weekend. There's going to be there's going to be puppets that are going to be set on fire and bonfires in town to sort of signify, believe they're signifying some of the bad things that happened throughout the year. There's fireworks, a lot of festivities. There's going to be a lot of music and a lot of bass bumping all weekend. Okay, so that's going to do it for today's trip around La Floresta. I want to thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned to our next blog post, which is going to be some of the things to see in La Floresta, and our next video where we go and get some roasted pork in one of the local markets. Thank you.